Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dart from Stranger Things. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up like this, and I'm going to go back and then just curve down like this. Then starting right here, I'm just going to curve up, and then I'm just going to come down to here. Then starting here, I'm just going to take this line, I'm just going to curve it up like this for the mouth. And then starting right here, I'm just going to curve this line down and then up and down again, and then I'm going to go in a little bit. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then go out like this. Then I'm just going to curve it back and then go up for the front leg. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right there for the toe. Then starting here, I'm just going to curve around for the belly. Now right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's just going to run right into that line and go down here. Then I'm just going to curve this back and curve it up like this. Then I'm going to make a little line for another toe. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back here for the tail. Then right here, I'm just going to add two little lines just to show where the leg's kind of bending, and I'm going to do two right there as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of Dart from Stranger Things. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.